When reading water and collecting water for magic, the Taoist usually collects it from a river which is slow moving. The slower the water, the more auspicious the qi is. Rivers that are ferocious and fast-paced are usually avoided because they wash away qi. This doesn't mean that they aren't useful. For example, collecting water from a fast river works well for erasing negative energy because it's intense. It breaks through old barriers. Also, fast-flowing waters are useful for deconsecrating objects. So by placing a talismanic object into a fast river, it strips that object of its magical energy, transforming a ritual tool into a mundane one. This is very useful if someone sends you a cursed item. So for example, a cursed amulet. Even if you get rid of the amulet and throw it away, the curse itself is still working because the energy inside of the amulet is still active. By submerging it into fast water, this cancels all of the toxic qi. Depth of water is also an important factor in Taoist practice. The deeper the water, the more energy it contains. For example, a calm ocean would have much more power than just a lake or a river. For cursing and hexing people, contaminated, stagnant and toxic water should be collected.